హలో ఫ్రెండ్స్ అండ్ అందరు ఎలా ఉన్నారు? ఈరోజు నా స్కూల్లో సైన్స్ ఎక్స్పో జరిగింది. ఈ వీడియోలో నా ఫ్రెండ్స్ అందరు ఏ ప్రాజెక్ట్ చేశారో చూడండి. చాలా ఫన్నీగా ఉంటుంది. లెట్స్ స్టార్ట్ ద వీడియో. Fish pond, company, etc. That benefited to each other. For example, whatever agriculture waste we generate
very good, nice project. Rainwater.
Water stores installation tank go to again filter tank, filter finally filter water goes to well.
Namit Nandwal.
Good morning everyone, my name is Ashish. I'm studying in third
Nice
year.
project.
Today my topic is about my city. I live in a beautiful city. I love my city. My city is very clean and I love it. Good morning everyone. Good morning everyone. My name is Raja. I'm studying in third year. Today my topic is quality models. In this model, sky, sun, river, stone are seen.
Okay. Nice project. ఎవరి ప్రాజెక్ట్?
నాకు ఇంట్రెస్ట్ పోయింది.
Sulaiman. Where are you, Sulaiman? Explain your project.
Good morning, ma'am.
అదే Welcome. Here is how can volcano works? Can you explain?
నేను మరీ అంత ఎదవలా కనపడుతున్నానా? ఓ మాదిరిగా కూడా కనపడలేదా?
Show me how it happens. No?
Ma'am, I do one time.
Okay.
చాలు.
Okay, fine. Nice.
My name is Vasudha. My name is
Stop it. Arjun Reddy, get up. Get up and tell me about your project.
నేను మరీ అంత ఎదవలా కనపడుతున్నానా? ఓ మాదిరిగా కూడా కనపడలేదా?
What is this? Paikelani. Get up. Wow. Nice project. Can you
ఎవడు యుద్ధం ఆడితే
explain?
ఎవడీడు ఏంటిది ఇలా చెప్తున్నాడు ఏంటి అలా ఏమన్నా
ఎవరు? Introduction.
everyone. My name is Manasvi. I'm studying in third grade. My school name is Douglas School of Excellence. Today, I wish you happy National Science Day. Today, my project is rainwater harvesting. It is a method that involves the collection of rainwater for further use. Usually rainwater will be collected from rooftops and stored in tanks. Water can also be collected from other surfaces like parking lots, highways, and land surfaces. Rainwater is mostly free from harmful chemicals which make it suitable for irrigation purpose. Reduces
To explain, you have to explain about your project. Don't do naughty things outside. You have to explain about your project. What is? What happened next? లేకపోయారా ఆ పైప్లో బోట్లో వస్తుంది చూడు నైస్ వెరీ నైస్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ Hello. Can you explain your project? చెప్పు.
Hi everyone, my name is Lakshmi. I'm studying in third class. My school name is Lakshmi Small Excellent. First year is very happy National Science Day. A project is automatic plant watering system for farmers. The components for automatic plant watering systems are switch, controller, the moisture sensor controls the level of the moisture. Low moisture which automatically turns on the water pump with the help of microcontroller. With the sufficient water supplying, it automatically turns off the water pump with the help of the use of microcontroller. As we see, so many farmers because of the current sharp and this project will be benefiting farmers. Amount of water also saved by us. Thank you.
Fantastic, super, mind blowing, unbelievable.